Hey guys, this is Harshala and welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back with fashion related content. It feels so good. I just missed playing dress up and I missed dressing up in general, to be very honest. In this video I'm going to be recreating Deepika Padukone's looks. Now I've been wanting to do this for the longest time. I wanted to do this before the lockdown, since most of these looks are from her Chhapaak promotions, which now that I think of, I think we'll never get to see promotional looks, yeah, because I think all the movies are now releasing on like Netflix and Amazon, which is like so crazy. Like so much is changing, but whatever it is, I'm just happy that I could recreate and just film this video for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. Oh my god, I literally died filming it because it's so hot, but yeah, otherwise I had a lot of fun. So the very first look we have is a monochromatic look. Oh my god, I really like monochromatic looks, but the reason why I like this is because monochromatic looks can be a little too out there, but this, since it had like pastel pink, I think it looks really nice. I think this look is like extremely wearable and achievable at the same time, since the whole key to this look is just keep it simple and monochromatic. So as she was wearing a pink sweater, I am also wearing the same. This is like a turtleneck, and with that I'm wearing my pink pants, and to go with it she was wearing, I think, pencil heel, but I wore my transparent heels. And for my hair, I tried doing a similar hairstyle. I don't know if I did a good job or no. However, I do think that middle parting doesn't really suit me, but I still tried. And for her earrings, I think she was wearing like really heavy dangly earrings, so I just wore mine, and I think this came really close to what she was wearing, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think this look, out of all the looks, or maybe I don't know, actually every look in this video is extremely wearable, but this being the most, that's because I think she was wearing a baggy black top, which all of us have in our closets, and with that she's wearing a very baggy jeans. I wore my mom jeans. However, I think what really lifted this look up is the styling and the accessories. I think for accessories she's wearing like really trendy chains, so I did the same, and I also wore hoops that I got from H&M. And for the belt, I think if you have like yellow belt, it would look so good. Since I didn't have it, I just wore my snake print belt, and I think it looks just fine. Now this look, out of all the looks in this entire video, is my favorite. That's because it's extremely out of my comfort zone. I mean, I do have a lot of leather pieces in my closet, but the only leather clothing piece that I really wear is my leather skirt. And these are like really baggy paper bag pants, but I really like how this turned out. I mean, I think she was wearing like a leather top with it, but I just wore my normal black turtleneck, and I think this looks so good. And I think if you were to go out for clubbing or something like that, or just out on a chilly night, this would look so good. And I think, I don't know, I'm in love with this look, and I really like how this turned out. For accessories, she kept it extremely simple. She just wore hoops. That's exactly what I'm doing, and yeah, there you have it. Okay, now this look, I think I did film this, but I was sort of in a dilemma if I should actually put this up in the video or no, since I didn't really have the exact pants as she wore. I think she was wearing like a floral baggy jeans, but I still took the inspiration and thought I would recreate and still put it up. Okay, so to break it down, all that I'm really wearing is like a baggy jeans. So I am wearing my mom jeans, and with that I'm wearing a white top. I just knotted it up like she did. And for accessories, she kept it extremely simple, so I'm just wearing my hoops which I got from H&M and just my watch, and to complete the look I wore it with white shoes. And there you have it. I mean, look at this look. I think all of us can recreate it and all of us can literally wear this. It's extremely wearable. Okay, so for this next one, I'm wearing my jumpsuit, which you have already seen in a couple of my other videos. So all that I'm really wearing is my jumpsuit with black heels. Now for accessories, I couldn't really accessorize. I mean, I did have a choker. The only problem that I really had is my jumpsuit had a lower neck and hers was a little higher, so she could wear that under the collar and I couldn't do that. But if you want, you can totally try that, or you can just wear it as it is. I mean, here I have done nothing. It's just I'm wearing the same jumpsuit as her. Okay, so you finally made it to the last look. Congratulations. Again, this look is extremely wearable and I've actually seen a lot of people recreate this. So to break it down, I'm just wearing like a white shirt, like a baggy white shirt. You can probably wear your brother's or even your dad's, and you don't necessarily have to wear like a lacy bandeau. I had it, so I'm wearing it, but you can pretty much wear your black normal bandeau top, which I'm sure a lot of us have, and I just wore it with my really baggy jeans, which are from Zara. And to complete the look, I'm just wearing it with my black heels. And for accessories, I did stack up my hand a bit. I tried actually. I'm not a bracelet person, so I just wore my watch and this one bracelet that I have. And again, I'm sure I must have said it 100 times, but I'll still say it again. It's very recreatable and extremely achievable. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know any more recreational videos or what would you want to watch. I have few planned already, but I would still like to know what you guys want to watch, so I can find that balance. And if you like this video, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And that being said, I will definitely see you next time. Bye.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan, stick to the plan.